Hey everyone, it's Kath and welcome back to my channel. I am finally back with another review, and guess what? We are going to review the new products from lbtokyo, and I'm so sorry for the extra noise outside. But I really need to film this kasi nag-film na ako nito pero nabura ko siya. So before we get started, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you can join my family by clicking subscribe and the bell icon so you will be notified every time I post new videos. And of course, follow me on my socials at kathirinco. So if you want to know the products that I got and my first impression review, please keep on watching. Alright, so I have 4 items from lbtokyo. So meron akong blush, meron din akong dalawang eyeliner, isang smudge gel eyeliner at isang slim gel eyeliner, and of course meron akong 3-in-1 eyebrow pencil. So simulan natin sa pangkilay. Meron si lbtokyo 3-in-1 brow product, and dito yung brow product, naubos ko na siya. Dito sa kabila yung brush or yung spoolie, ayan siya. And then, ito yung na-intriga ako sa gitna. Pwede mo siyang ikutin. And meron siyang powder. Brow powder. Which is, hindi siya, for me, hindi siya advisable kasi may sheen. Medyo glittery siya. Let's apply the product. So, kilay. Brush natin siya. Sobrang lambot ng bristles ng spoolie niya. Ang ganda ng pangkilay and madali din gamitin yung spoolie. Super lambot niya. And manipis lang siya. Hindi siya kagaya nung ayan o. Manipis lang. Hindi siya kagaya ng ibang spoolie. Meron ako ditong spoolie na makapal. Ayan. From Anastasia. Super kapal. And ito, manipis lang. What I love about this, pag manipis, mas madali mong ma-drag yung product. Mas madali mo siyang mabiblend. Unlike kapag makapal, mas may tendency na kumalat yung product. I-try naman natin yung powder. Sa gitna, meron siyang pang powder. So, parang not bad. Wala lang siya. Parang wala namang difference kung mag-powder ka. Siguro kasi super nipis lang din. Try natin kumuha. Super light kasi nung shade. Kaya wala siyang difference. Ayan. Alright, so very, very natural brows ang ma-achieve mo using the lbtokyo eyebrow 3-in-1 pencil. Let's try the lbtokyo blush. Ito naman siya. Very creamy. Very creamy and hindi siya ganun ka-oily yung formulation niya. So, i-try natin siya sa cheeks. Sobrang dali niya i-build. It's really buildable. Hindi siya super oily sa cheeks. And parang kahit na paulit-ulit kang kumuha ng product, hindi mo mapapansin sa product mismo na maraming nabawas. Parang ganyan lang siya. So, super ganda ng formulation niya kasi hindi siya mabilis maubos. Kahit na, yun nga, paulit-ulit akong kumukuha ng product para i-build up yung yung pigment. Hindi siya ganun madaling naubos. Sobrang dali niyang i-blend. Hindi siya yung, di ba yung iba na nagsiset agad, tapos kapag naglagay ka ulit ng kahit second layer, third layer, fourth layer, sobrang pulang-pula na ng cheeks mo. Ito hindi. Super natural looking lang siya, as you can see. So, yan. Very, very natural looking lang siya. and buildable. Super nice. This is the super travel friendly lang nung kanyang laki. Yung packaging so cute. Kasya siya sa bulsa mo. Kasya siya sa kahit maliit lang yung makeup kit mo. So, the packaging, the product itself is really okay. Ano? Hindi siya kagaya ng iba. Diba? Sobrang daming beses ako kumuha ng product. Pero, parang wala pa rin siyang nabawas. And at the same time, maganda yung pigment niya. Medyo naging dewy yung face ko. And hindi siya super pulang-pula sa cheeks. By the way, the shade is DR1. Ayan. That's the shade. Okay. The next item that we will try is LB Slim Gel Eyeliner. Yan siya. And, wow, super haba ng tip. As you can see. And, ayan, retractable siya. So, ito yung kanyang swatch. Wow. Ang ganda. Ayan, naputol siya. So, mag-ingat lang kayo sa mga retractable na product, especially sa mga eyeliner kasi madali silang maputol, lalo na pag sobrang haba ng product. Madali siya maputol. Pero, as you can see, ayan, no, smudge proof. As you can see. So, i-try natin siya. Naputol na naman. Nakadalawang beses na akong naputulan nito. Yun nga, maganda siya i-apply sa eyes, pero napansin ko, madali din siyang maubos. Ganun talaga yung mga retractable, lalo na kung yung formula niya is very creamy. It's creamy, yet so pigmented. Ang ganda nung pigment nito. Last item is the LB Smudge Gel Eyeliner. So, yan siya. This one is in the shade Navy Blue. So, retractable din siya. And ganyan kahaba yung product. Super haba. Yan. Na-reach na natin yung end. Yan na yung end niya. Ang haba niya, mga siguro 2 inches siya. And balik lang natin. Baka maputol. Swatch natin siya. Wow. Meron siyang konting sheen. Medyo may konting glitters. Okay, so we will be trying this naman sa ilalim ng eyes ko. Guys, parang mas smudge proof pa tong eyeliner. Yung una kong tinry dito sa taas. Final thoughts about these products. Let's first start dito sa LB blush. Super love na love ko to. Ito yung favorite ko. This one is the shade DR1. And yun nga, paulit-ulit ko sinabi kanina, kahit sobrang daming beses na akong kumuha ng product, parang hindi pa rin siya nababawasan, probably because of the formulation of this product. So, kung gusto niyo nang talaga magtatagal sa inyong product and at the same time maganda yung pigment sa cheeks, ayan, makikita niyo medyo nagduduwi yung face ko. This is all because of this lbtokyo blush product nila, yung single blush product nila. And it's so creamy and hindi siya super oily. Tamang-tama lang yung pagka oil niya sa face ko. And this one naman yung lbtokyo na 3-in-1. Marirecommend ko din siya. Ang ganda ng shade, super lightweight, super natural looking din siya sa brows. And what I don't like about this product is ito yung gitna, yung powder niya. Hindi ko siya nagagamit or wala siyang huge effect sa brows pag in-apply nyo siya. Yun lang yung masasabi ko, but the applicator is really nice. It's really thin. Sobrang lambot ng bristles niya i-brush sa eyebrows. Madali siyang nabe-blend. And about These two naman, medyo siguro hindi ko lang bet yung color niya na na-receive ko, which is yung navy blue. But I'm sure yung black nito, kung mahilig kayo sa mga smudge gel eyeliner, check this out. But my favorite eyeliner from them is this one, the slim gel eyeliner. Again, retractable lahat ng kanilang eyeliner, and yan, a little goes a long way. Dahan-dahan lang kayo sa pagkuha ng product or sa twist nung product, kasi kapag sobrang haba nung na-twist mo, may tendency talaga pag ina-apply mo siya, mapuputol siya. Like, in my case earlier, twice ko siyang naputol. So, sayang naman. And hindi mo na siya maibabalik. Once na na-twist mo na and lumabas na yung product, hindi na siya maibabalik sa loob. So, dahan-dahan lang. So, yeah, that's our finished makeup using the lbtokyo Cosmetics. And yes, if you're looking for a smudge-proof gel eyeliner, and if you're looking for a natural looking blush, then you might wanna try lbtokyo as well. So ito yung favorite ko so far, at saka yung slim gel eyeliner. Mas smudge proof to kesa dito sa smudge gel eyeliner. So yeah, that's it for our video for today. If you want to try these products, meron silang Instagram account. I will just link it down below if you want, and just check it out and check their price list as well. That's it for our video for today, guys. I hope you guys like it, and if you do, please make sure to hit thumbs up, and also comment down below what do you want me to do on the next one, or what do you want me to review on my next video. And of course, follow me on my socials at kathirinco, and don't forget to share this video to your friends, and of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And again, thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next one. Stay confident. Bye, gorgeous.